So you guys wanted to edit your photo from this to this in one single click? Alright, let me show you. Hey, how's it going everyone? And good here. Alright guys, so what you guys seeing right now is the Gemini 2.5 Flash. So yeah, we're gonna try a prompt that has been really viral lately. So yeah, so now let me load my image here, at the image here. Alright, we're gonna edit from drive here. Alright, so I'm gonna try first with the only one person in the picture. Alright, so let me try this photo right here and insert. Alright, there you go. Now let me paste the prompt here. You can copy the prompt. I will put the prompt on the description below. So let me paste it here. Alright, there you go. So this is the prompt right here. If you guys can see, right, there you go. Let me try. Submit. Let's see how is this going to be. Let me see. Just a second. Nah, it's not going to be a second. I think it's gonna be generating images. I think it's going to be. Oh wait. It's actually a second. Oh wait, there you go. There you go. Wait, the pose is kind of different. So let me see my photo right here. So right, you guys seeing this? So this is my photo right here. Oh, so this is the result. Let me see. Alright, it's actually kind of good actually. My analog is kind of drifted actually. So let me try another one here. Right, files here from drive. Alright, so let's try a photo with a bunch of people on it. Let me try this one right here. Alright, paste. There you go. Now let's generate. Alright, let's see. So this is my image right here. Alright. Wait, what? Some of what? Wait, so actually, if you guys see, this is me. If you guys seeing that, this is me. This is my friends. But the result, you can see the result here. I'm not. Where's where am I here? I only got they only got me here, you see, and then here in the background, but on the figure I'm not here. I'm gone. Alright, so I think yeah, it's a bug. I think, I don't know, it's not really that perfect. So yeah. Alright, so let's try another photo right here, guys. Let's try another photo. Okay, what about two people on it? This is me with my friend cosplaying as Saitama, you know, from One Punch Man. Paste, and yeah, let's drift it, man. Alright, let's see. Alright, so you guys can see here, this is the photo. Okay, let me see the result. There you go. I think this one is perfect. Wait, nah, not this. Nah, this is not perfect. You can see the background. Only one person in the background, and also in the box only one person. I don't know, man. Alright, let's try another photo. What about this photo right here? So this photo right here, only half of the body, you know, it's drifted. Alright, so the photo is only half of the body. I'm curious how they're gonna do the legs and also the hands, you know. Let me see. generating image. There you go. Finally, I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect, guys. 4 people here, and also 4 people on the box, and also 4 people on the computer screen. Wow, I think this is definitely the perfect one we got so far. There you go. Alright, let's try it more here. What about alright, so let me try this one right here. Me and my bag here. Come on, man. Come on, dog. It's drifted. There you go. And generate. Well, let's see. I'm curious how they're gonna do the motorcycle behind. I hope they add the motorcycle. Alright, let's see. Okay. There you go. Wow. This is the perfect one, I think. I think this is another perfect one. You guys can see that this is another perfect one. Yo. Yeah, this is guys, I want it more, guys. I want it more, you know. I want it more. Let's see. I'm curious about selfie. What about selfie? Let's see how they gonna generate the selfie. There you go. Or are they gonna generate this selfie right here? Okay. So this is the pics before. Alright. This is the result. Nice. There you go. Wow. Wait. What? Wait. No. Look. Yo. What is happening with my foot, man? What is happening, man? Alright. So the picture in the box is kind of cool because, you know, it's animated style, cartoon style, and also the computer screen, the sketch is kind of different pose here. And well, why is my hands really length here? Really long, you know. Let's try another one, man. What about this one right here, this pic right here? This is me when I'm hit the 50k subscription on YouTube. 50k subs. Yeah, there you go. Let's see how are they gonna do this picture right here. Alright, there you go. Come on. Alright, let's see from the up here. This one I'm gonna rate this one. I'm gonna rate this 7 out of 10. And this one, because it's not really perfect, I'm gonna rate it 6 out of 10. And this one right here, I'm gonna rate it 8 out of 10. And this one is definitely 9 out of 10 here. Nah, this is 10 out of 10. And the motor is 10 out of 10 also. And the selfie here is, I don't know, I'm gonna 7 out of 10 rate. Wait, okay, there you go. Alright, so from this picture to this pic right here. Alright, so they make me standing, but in the actual photo I'm sitting on the, I'm sitting, not standing, you know. But yeah, I think it's really cool. So I'm gonna rate this pic. I think I'm gonna rate it 7 out of 10. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. What do you guys think of this new viral prompt? You can copy the prompt. I will put on the description below or in the top comment below. So what you guys think? So yeah, this is me trying Gemini 2.5 Flash on my PlayStation Portable here. Alright, there you go. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to comment below what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Alright guys, see you in the next video.